transform their lives. An 11,000 crore rupee scheme for upliftment of the fishing community. The tribals are happy because the Van Bandhu Yojana has started creating a level playing field for them. A 15,000 crore rupee program that promises to transform the lives of the tribal people and bring them into mainstream development and at par with the urban populace. The women are happy because the Chiranjeevi Yojana ensures safer motherhood and excellent childcare. A project that has been awarded the Asian Innovation Award by Singapore Economic Development Board. Over 2.7 lakh successful deliveries done till date. 1,030 mothers and 9,200 children saved. Institutional deliveries increased to 82%. The teenagers are happy owing to initiatives like Scope to enhance their English communication skills. Over 39,000 students have already benefited through 738 centers across the state. The youth are happy because Gujarat Knowledge Society has been founded to empower them with employable skills. Over 4,500 students benefit from 38 courses through 189 centers since November 2008. The students are happy because of the increasing presence of premier institutes for higher and technical education. IIT Gandhinagar soon to become operational. Establishment of Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University. Gujarat National Law University. Gujarat Technical University and Forensic Science University. Number of technical seats doubled in the state colleges. The citizens are smiling because e-governance is now 100% functional in all municipal corporations. And as many as 97 government services can now be availed by simply walking in at the nearest Jan Seva Kendra. Concept of one-day governance introduced. Over 100 national and international awards won for good governance. The seniors are happy because of the government's initiatives for cleaner and greener environment. The urban poor too are smiling owing to the Garib Samriddhi Yojana that aims to empower their lives. A 13,000 crore rupee project for upliftment of the urban poor by providing them with homes and basic amenities. E-Gram's Vishwagram, connecting villages to the world, making them global in the real sense. Evening courts, a first of its kind initiative in the country for reducing the backlog of judicial cases. 88 courts operational and 4.73 lakh cases disposed till date. 19 Nari Adalats or female courts for empowering women. Beti Bachao campaign for eliminating the gender bias from society. Female to male ratio improves from 804 to 1000 to 883 to 1000 in just 5 years. Karm Yogi Maha Abhiyan, an ongoing program to train over 5 lakh government employees. Vadi Yojana, to empower the tribal belts. Sujalam Sufalam Yojana, to transform thousands of villages into hubs of prosperity. Complementing all such trend-setting initiatives is the government's unwavering focus on infrastructure development. Gujarat today has an infrastructure that's robust, networked and future-ready. All-weather road network that makes